Are you feeling lost with all the AI tools out there? Let's face it, choosing the right AI tools for your business can feel like a full-time job. There are thousands of options out there, and learning each new tool takes precious time that you probably don't have. But here's the good news. You don't have to spend hours testing everything yourself. I've done that for you. I've tested dozens of AI tools over the years, and today I'll share the 8 best ones that are both affordable and easy to learn. But before we do that, I just want to mention that you can find all the links to these tools in the description. Alright, first on our list is Claude. Claude is an AI assistant that helps you create content, analyze data, and even write code. And what I love about Claude is how easy it makes creating content for blogs, social media, and video scripts. And you can even use it to fix grammar, keeping your tone consistent across all your content. And another cool thing about Claude is that it can handle basic coding and problem solving. For example, we've used it for creating calculators and custom tools for our website. But what really sets it apart is that it learns your style. Just feed it some of your existing content and it will start writing in a way that sounds just like you. This definitely changes the game if what you're looking for is your personal touch in all your content. Next up is ClickUp. This is the project management platform we use every day to keep track of our work. What makes ClickUp great is how it helps you understand what everyone's working on and the status of different projects. Their AI gives you quick summaries of what your team's been doing and provides detailed information exactly when you need it. It's honestly one of the best ways to make better decisions faster because you always have the context you need. So if you're managing a team or even just juggling a lot on your own, ClickUp keeps you in the loop without making it a chore. Third on the list is Buffer. Buffer is a social media management tool that makes it incredibly easy to create and schedule content. And what I love about Buffer is how simple it is to turn ideas into social media posts. Their AI helps you create engaging content quickly, and their scheduling tool makes sure your posts go live at the right time. Honestly, if you're looking to keep a consistent social media presence without it taking over your life, Buffer is the way to go. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect if you want to stay active online without spending hours on it. Hey, before we continue, do me a favor. If you're finding this information useful, hit the like button. It helps us reach and help more people like you. And subscribe for more content just like this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Alright, next up is Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI writing assistant that helps you polish your writing and keep your brand voice consistent across everything you do. And what I really like about Grammarly is how it offers real-time writing suggestions and tone adjustments. It's very handy when you want to make sure all your emails, social posts, or website content sound just right. If you're aiming for clear and professional communication, Grammarly is the one for you. Fifth on our list is Notion. Notion is a workspace that acts as a central hub for all your work-related needs, and it can be a game changer for your productivity. But the real magic is Notion AI. It helps you find information quickly instead of scrolling through endless docs. You can ask Notion questions and it will pull up exactly what you need. You can even use it to analyze PDFs and images, making it perfect for extracting insights and creating actionable plans from your existing documents. So, if you need an organized workspace and a quick way to find information, Notion AI is a must. The sixth tool is the Hemingway Editor. If you want to make your writing clearer and more engaging, this tool will be your new best friend. The free version helps you identify complex sentences and readability issues, but the Plus version is where the magic happens. It actually helps you fix those issues with AI-powered suggestions. And for just $19.99, you can get the desktop version that works offline. It's a simple tool, but it helps you write in a way that's easy to read and gets your message across. Next up, we've got Canva. Canva is a design platform that helps you create professional-looking visuals without any design experience. And one of my favorite things about Canva is how it can help you create everything from social media posts to presentations. The brand keying feature is especially useful for keeping everything visually consistent across all your content. And they're stepping things up with Magic Studio, which uses AI to let you generate and edit images, remove backgrounds, research designs for different platforms, and even create videos. It's honestly the perfect all-in-one design tool for small businesses. And last but not least is Dall 3. Dall 3 is an AI image generation tool that helps you create custom visuals for your business, even if you've never done graphic design before. What's great about Dall 3 is that you can access it through ChatGPT Plus or use it for free through existing GPTs to get used to prompting it. And the images it creates are yours to use however you want. You can print them, sell them, or you can use them in your marketing materials. It's up to you. It's very flexible and it's a fun way to bring unique, eye-catching visuals into your brand. Look, there are thousands of AI tools out there, but these 8 are the ones that we use daily and we keep coming back because they actually work. Most of them offer free versions or trials, so you can check them out without any risk. Give them a try and see which ones work best for your business. And remember, the goal is not to try every AI tool out there, it's to find the ones that actually help you save time and grow your business. So if you have any questions about these tools, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to check our next video on the best productivity tools for a small business. See you in the next one.